hard.
Ugh, writer's block, huh? It's the worst.
I have a paper to write for my class, and I have no idea where to start.
Have you considered visiting the Lehman Tutoring Center?
The what?
The Lehman Tutoring Center. I'm a tutor there. Come on, I'll help you out. Let's look at the prompt and see what ideas we can build on. Hi, my name is Brandon, and I'm one of the tutors here at the Lehman Tutoring Center. We know that writing can be tricky, so whether it's getting started, brainstorming ideas, organizing your paper, or revising your draft, we're here to support your writing needs.
We offer tutoring both online and in person. You can drop in, book a one-time session, or even set up weekly appointments for ongoing support. We also offer workshops that will help you tackle your next writing challenge.
I like the direction you're headed in.
Yeah, I think this works as an outline.
You got this.
Yeah.
Thanks for being such an awesome student.
Well, actually, my name is Miracle, and I'm also a tutor at the Lehman Tutoring Center. We're open Mondays to Thursdays, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., in person and online.
And also Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. online only. See you then.